This metal container just made the trip from China with a bar bike in it. The big reveal. Here's the driver's seat.
Tied right here.
Here's roundabout.
Let's explain what's going on. So you have purchased a, I guess it's just called a pedal bar, like a 10-person pedal bar.
It's like a beer bike or something. I don't know.
Beer bike. Here's a picture of it. Take a look at it.
Yeah.
That's what he has purchased. Now we looked at other options of buying it. We decided,
Let's get one from China.
right.
Yeah.
And how long ago was that you placed the order?
Oh shit. I don't even remember. Do you remember when we first started talking
It
about
was
it?
about 6 months ago.
It's
yeah.
been probably 6 months at least.
Yeah. The truck is coming with the cargo, with the metal container that it's in.
Right.
We have not seen this yet.
No.
I think this is exciting as heck to open this for the first time. If this bar bike is amazing, then this is fun. It's amazing.
Yeah.
If this bar bike is a piece of shit,
It's fun for all the viewers.
this is also amazing.
miserable for me.
You guys are going to see this metal container open for the first time from China.
Off China, yes.
Yeah. And we're gonna load it up on his trailer, and then we're gonna go take it and pedal it around.
Right.
There it is. Are you excited, dude? Or are you nervous? More nervous or excited?
I'm excited. I'm excited.
That metal box was in China like 3 months ago. And now it's here. There'll be a lion in there for all we know. You know what I mean? A bunch of monkeys.
We're gonna need a forklift. But he said he can send it back so we can drive right up to the forklift.
Oh, okay. So we need a forklift. Nice. The big reveal. Let's go.
Cool.
Such a weird system. They load this in the crate in China, send it here, but you don't get to keep it. We have to give the container back. All right. What color bike did you order?
Red.
Okay.
Yeah.
We're off to a great start, China.
And I saw that in the photos and I said, that looks orange to me. They said, no, it's just the sunlight. It's red.
By the way, bigger than what I thought too. This is huge.
Well, it is huge. This is the thing. You
Yeah.
can already tell that this is Chinese quality.
Right.
Comes with brand new rusted parts. The paint job is so shitty that I won't feel bad
Agreed.
about repainting it.
And is this Bondo I'm seeing? It is, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
not good.
Okay, China. Ryan is my friend, so I don't want to just like roast this thing. So that's why I'm whispering. But look at the roof. The roof of it. Like what is that even supposed to be? Let's look at the painting of the rims. Look at the attention to detail there.
Look at the driver's seat. It's literally a bucket.
You mean like a bucket like that you wash your car with? Like a bucket that you like
a metal fucking bucket.
like you're gonna feed a cow with it.
Yeah.
I'm seeing disc brakes, dude. I thought there'd be drums. Those are disc brakes.
So I think though I'm just gonna lift here, walk it back. We'll set the ramps here, and then hopefully it'll come down. So let me try and pick it up and roll it back. Good with that?
Yeah, let's do it. could have been worse.
Kind of about what I expected. But look at this. Like this is the quality workmanship from China.
So wait, hold on. So this is not shipping material?
This is the roof.
See, which again, if they're laughing at our expense, we wanted to replace this. We want like a tiki bar sort of. Some
No,
sort
we're
of
definitely
bar
putting a
vibe.
different roof on it anyways.
Yeah, but I just want to give a heads up. Whoever built this in China, what the fuck are you doing? Wait, so where's the driver's seat again?
The driver's
Chase.
seat
Here's the driver's seat.
tied right here. What do we got? Is this our?
Oh, that's the symbol.
Oh!
It is a BMW symbol. That's not. Oh, there's built-in lights. I didn't see that.
They're saying this thing runs 8 hours on this.
So those moved in shipping. That wasn't the plan. Was just to throw them in there.
We can go to O'Reilly's or something and get a bunch of parts.
Yeah, some cables. All right, USA versus China. So the USA one was how much? 37,000.
It was used, but it was 37,000, and I would venture to guess that it was light years ahead in quality.
That's an assumption.
It's an assumption.
But yes.
So the advertised China price was $18,000.
All right.
Then we had shipping, which was $3,200 for the container to come here. And then we sent it, and they sent us a little thing that said, "It has been stopped by Chinese customs. You will need to pay us another $2,300
And that was for storage and
for storage and some inspection fee." Then today, I got a call from US port, and they said, "Oh, your truck's here to take it, but you haven't paid yet." Paid what? I don't know. So they gave me another bill today for $3,500.
okay.
Then they said, "Oh, by the way, this guy is leaving, tells me there will be another fee returning the container." So we don't know what the total will be yet.
Right.
We did rent a forklift,
So we're not done paying for this.
so that was $300.
Yep. So for 27,300, look what you got. For almost 30 grand. I wasn't being mean.
When you put it that way,
All I said is look what you got. What is your favorite?
the bucket seat. The literal bucket seat. Oh, it's our sound system. Why even bother at that point?
The craftsmen that work on this during the construction, do they actually sit there and go, "We're really killing it this time," or do they just laugh the whole time and go, "Ha ha, ha, stupid Americans"?
The latter.
I think it is too. I really do.
With inflation today, and with the cost of fabricating,
Right.
we probably are ahead.
Okay. Yeah, if you built it from scratch.
If we had this built from scratch, we probably are still ahead.
All right, we're in. This guy just asked me, he goes, "What is that?" And I said, "It's this thing we ordered from China." He goes, "Can you return it?"
Here, how about we?
Not anymore. Wait, just to clarify, that's as far as this turns.
To the left.
Did I want to pedal? It's not doing anything.
I'm not driving. See if you can make a gain speed.
This one's cranking. This one's doing the chains are like.
Try one that doesn't crank like that. Yeah, look at that. You're doing. I'm not doing it yet.
And it's very stealth. Like we could sneak up on people with this thing.
We could test it on this roundabout.
Oh, good call.
If we make this roundabout, we're doing.
Roundabout test. Something that should have been done in China before they shipped it.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, it's capping.
Oh shit. Is your leg okay, Chase? We got hit pretty hard.
Jesus Christ.
Person.
What is that fucking noise? Is
The
that
chain.
the chain?
Yeah, the chains are.
It's like it's slipping. What I consider a design flaw, when you do put it in reverse, you could actually snap someone's limb. Because the pedals.
Cameron, watch your feet. We're reversing again.
Stay away.
Oh no.
All right, so real quick though, the positive.
It works.
Works.
It works. In,
Sort of.
like it works. It does. It drives.
In decent
Goes
power. I
reverse.
feel like it wasn't bad for what it is.
It's. I just realized it's torqued low because you can have a bunch of people on you.
Right.
It's got a lot of weight.
Got to get it moving.
The
We did
length-
learn when you put it in reverse, it's pretty dangerous.
Yeah, the pedals need to disengage for sure.
Did you see?
Oh shit.
Thank you, China.
Yeah, I got one of those too.
Oh no.
Let me see, Chase. So we have a couple kinks to work out, but don't worry, we have big plans for this bike. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. See ya!